In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a font in all pages with one click using Canva Pro as part of our full 2025 guide. Canva is a versatile and powerful design tool that can really streamline your creative workflow, and today I'm excited to walk you through this quick and efficient process. First things first, let's dive into Canva. If you're already familiar with it, you know how robust it can be when it comes to designing anything from simple social media posts to complex presentations. But for those who are new, Canva is widely accessible online and available for both free and pro users. To begin, simply open Canva in your preferred web browser. If you're using their desktop app, that works just as well. Once you're in, the next step is to log into your Canva account. You can do this with your email and password, or even use third-party services like Google or Facebook for quick access. Logging in ensures that all your designs are saved securely and helps you easily switch between the various design projects you might be working on. After successfully logging in, navigate to your dashboard where you'll see all of your recent and saved designs. Choose the design you're working on, the one where you want to update the fonts. This could be anything like a presentation, a social media post, or even an infographic. Open that specific design by clicking on it. This should bring up your design in the editor for you to make modifications. With your design open, identify and highlight the specific text where you'd like to change the font. You simply need to click and drag your mouse over the text to select it. This will automatically open the text editor panel at the top of the screen, where you can customize things like font size, color, and most importantly, the font style itself. Now, it's time to pick out your new font. Click on the font drop-down menu, which will show you a selection of fonts available in Canva. You can scroll through and select the one that best fits your design appeal. This is one of the creative parts where you get to explore different font styles and see what resonates best with your design's theme. Once you've found a font you love, you don't need to change each text box individually thanks to Canva Pro's advanced features. Look for the option to apply the font changes globally. Click on Select All to ensure that every page within your design adopts this new font. This feature is incredibly handy, especially for larger documents, as it saves you loads of time by updating all instances of text across all the pages in just one go. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the font across all pages of your design in Canva Pro with just a few simple clicks. This method will help keep your designs consistent and professional looking while saving you time and effort. Happy designing, and see you in the next tutorial.